Hello everyone, we will see some gadgets and unboxing together. In this video I will unboxing some gadgets and appliances. This video you will be surprised by some outstanding gadgets. Just try these gadgets once, you will be surprised from them. All these devices makes trust to you on technology and you will compelled to use. When first time I used this device I really appreciate this working. I really recommend it to everyone to purchase these gadgets and appliances because they work very well and very faster than any man and woman. Hope you will enjoy this video. I will review all these adorable gadgets which tell you about what you need. I think these all needs for ever home and kitchen and also organized women and men's. I mentioned all these in my video for you. Watch video till end. If you like this video please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos about smart gadgets and unboxing together. Some of these organizers which organize your home and kitchen very quick and easily. And some are cleaning tool which are very perfect for use. I am using these gadgets and these makes my life change, like comfort. Some are kitchen appliances which needs everyone. I highly recommend all these appliances. Enjoy this video. If you like please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.